I want to talk about something I haven't seen anyone on TikTok talking about, the very human and political side of the scientific world. I love science and I respect scientists in general, but we have to be aware of the fact that many pioneering scientists have been initially ridiculed by the larger academic community to then be redeemed when the current understanding catches up decades later. Thomas Kuhn wrote about this process in The Structure of Scientific Revolutions. A great example of this stubbornness of mainstream science concerns the Clovis period and the early discoveries of Canadian archaeologist Jacques Cinq-Mars. While excavating at Bluefish Caves in the northern Yukon in the 1970s and 80s, Cinq-Mars found traces of human hunters dating back to approximately 24,000 years ago. This was preposterous in the 80s because the scientific community was still fiercely protecting the Clovis first model, which is the idea that the first modern humans arrived in North America 13,000 years ago, so about half that distance. Since then, several other important archaeological discoveries across the continent have convincingly disproved Clovis first. So now, after many decades of being called a crazy fool, Cinq-Mars is now rightly considered a redeemed pioneer. And that's just one example.